Welcome to the Any Connector audio series, where we bring you insights on modern integrations, connected systems, and the future of customer experience. Today, we'll be exploring why disconnected systems are hurting your customer experience. In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses rely on a wide variety of systems, from cloud-based apps to legacy platforms and third-party tools, to run daily operations. Think about CRM like Salesforce or finance platforms like QuickBooks. They help drive productivity and scale. But here's the catch. As tech stacks grow, many companies end up with disconnected systems that simply don't talk to each other. And while that might feel like a back-end, behind-the-scenes issue, in reality, it directly impacts customer experience. Disconnected tools often create friction points that customers notice, even if they don't know what's causing the problem. The issues may be technical, but the results feel deeply personal. Let's break down a few common challenges first. Delayed responses and missed opportunities. Imagine a customer place an order online, but your sales and inventory systems aren't in sync. The order slips through the cracks, causing a delay in fulfillment. Or worse, a canceled sale. Here's a real-world example. A mid-size e-commerce business using Shopify, Zendesk, and Salesforce struggled with exactly this. Inventory updates were manual, order tracking was inconsistent, and their support team had no real-time customer insights. Second, inconsistent information that leads to frustration. When a customer calls support and has to repeat their issue multiple times because your team doesn't have full context, the interaction feels impersonal. Without connected systems, there's no shared visibility, leading to longer response times and inconsistent service. Third, fragmented journeys. Customers expect every touchpoint, whether it's a purchase, a support request, or a follow-up, to feel seamless. But siloed systems break that journey. Customers end up repeating information or getting disjointed communication. And that damages trust. Why traditional integrations fall short? Now, you might be thinking, well, we've tried connecting systems before. Yes, many businesses have. They've used point-to-point integrations, manual APIs, or enterprise service buses. But here's the truth. These older methods often fall short today. They come with high maintenance costs. Custom integrations constantly need updates and troubleshooting. They lack scalability. Adding new vendors or systems usually means rebuilding from scratch. They create data inconsistencies. Without a single source of truth, errors and duplication happen. And they pose security risks, because poorly maintained APIs or unencrypted transfers leave businesses vulnerable. This is where a modern approach, Integration Platform as a Service, or iPaaS, makes the difference. Instead of patchwork connections, iPaaS provides a centralized, cloud-based way to integrate your systems, automate workflows, and give your teams real-time visibility. Here's how iPaaS changes the game. iPaaS bridges CRMS, POS systems, payroll, marketing tools, and more. Everyone, from sales to finance, works off the same updated information. No silos. For example, a retail chain using Altimetrics, QuickBooks, and Salesforce now syncs sales, inventory, and customer data in real time, ensuring consistent information across departments. Instead of manual updates or file transfers, iPaaS delivers real-time automation. This speeds up customer support, order fulfillment, and reporting. Picture a logistics company automating warehouse updates between its ERP and supplier systems. The result: faster deliveries, and no more stockouts. With encryption, authentication, and regulatory safeguards, iPaaS helps protect sensitive information while keeping you compliant. One example: a healthcare provider securely integrating patient data across platforms while staying HIPAA compliant. As your business grows, iPaaS grows with it. Adding apps, services, or locations doesn't mean starting integrations all over again. The platform scales seamlessly. Disconnected systems may not seem urgent until they start affecting your customers. From missed sales to slow support and fragmented communication, the hidden costs pile up quickly. iPaaS changes that. It builds the infrastructure where your systems and your teams finally work together, seamlessly. Thank you for tuning in to this episode from Any Connector. If your business is still juggling disconnected platforms, manual workflows, or rising integration costs, it might be time to explore a better way. Visit www.anyconnector.com to learn how we help companies build scalable, secure, and fully connected operations. Start creating invisible connections that deliver visible results for your teams and your customers. This is Any Connector, making integrations effortless.